Hi there, it's Guru Nishan here from gurunishan.com, and you have reached the place to be to manage your frequency. Thank you so much for being here. I love to share different tools and techniques that help you rewire and reset your nervous system. And today we're going to work with a simple practice that supports to revitalize your entire system, okay? So it's really, really interesting. You're going to put the thumb on the mound of your ring finger like that, and then wrap the fingers around it, okay? So you're in fists. Fists are going to be at the sides of your body. We're going to inhale deeply, hold the breath, and I want you to shake your fists as rapidly as you possibly can, like you could shake out all of your pain, all of your hurt, all of your anger, all of the debris, all of the chaos externally in the world. Shake it out, okay? Like you were trying to pound it out of your own body. We'll do this as long as we can, then we're gonna exhale, and we're gonna do a total of 7 rounds, okay? This stuff's gonna exhaust you out, but it's really fast, so it's really cool, because it helps to access the nervous system and clear out some of the stored memory that's living in our nerve channels so it can kind of lighten the load. Yes? All right, let's do it. So, thumb on the mound of the ring finger, wrap the fingers around your fists like that. Yes? Around the thumb. And hands at the sides. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath, shake the fists. Hold it, exhale. Again, inhale. Hold the breath, shake. Exhale. 5 more, inhale. Hold the breath, shake. Get crazy with it. Move it, move it, move it. Get still, exhale. Oh my, huh? Inhale. Continue, shake. Exhale. Inhale. Shake. Exhale. Inhale. 2 more. Move wild, crazy. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Hold and shake. Pound those fists. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Exhale. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale. Be as still as you can. Breathe through the nose. Wow, huh? I was running out of breath to give you directions. Holy moly. Woo, how you doing? Shake those arms out. That was intense, huh? All right, that's a way to revitalize. What we're doing is we're pressurizing the nervous system by holding the breath and creating an internal rhythm. The body starts to self-correct. And what's so fascinating about that is that the human body is a self-correcting machine. So if we can just stimulate the mechanisms within ourselves to just activate what the body already knows how to do, the body will start doing it naturally. It'll start filtering out everything that's toxic and start processing. The problem is the endocrine system for most of us is so toxed out because everyone's eating so much garbage, the amount of plastic, preservatives, just stuff that the body doesn't recognize. The endocrine system is starting to malfunction. And so the endocrine system is what's the guardians of your whole health, the glandular system. So very, very important to keep these parts of ourselves stimulated, working yourself out from the inside out. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I'd love to hear how this practice was for you. Go ahead and put a comment in the comment section below. Do me a favor and like this video. It makes a huge difference on my YouTube channel. And subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. The link is right here. It just says right there, subscribe, right in the video. And if you're just learning about me, go ahead and check me out over at my website, gurunishan.com. You can subscribe to my email list and my daily doses of sunshine, and you'll get all the goodies on the direct VIP list to your email box. So be sure to do that as well. I look forward to connecting with you again. Check out all my YouTube channel videos. There's just a bazillion tools and techniques for you to support you in changing your frequency. So remember, it's your responsibility to change yourself from the inside out, and you have everything that it takes. All it requires is you to show up. Thanks again. This is Guru Nishan from gurunishan.com, and I'll see you again soon.